Well, designcon is always dealing with high-speed signals, right, and signal integrity, and that's always the primary issue that we face here. How do we go using 28 nanometer processes and get up to 128 or 100 gigabit per second speeds? FPGAs are getting faster and faster. We're dealing with higher integration, more integration, and I guess we're here to deal with the design issues that engineers are facing.
This is really the place for all the high-speed networking and interface designers. This is where the board and the chip people get together with the test people and figure out how they're going to make the next fastest thing happen. And right now, all the action seems to be moving up from about 12 to about 28 gigabits per second. And they're all here talking to each other to figure out how to make that work, because you really have to know how the physical board is laid out, as well as what the chip is doing in the signaling. And then the test guys how to figure out what both of those guys are doing so they can figure out how to test it so that you know if it's working correctly.
The whole thing about it to me is a worlds collide kind of show. As we start going up in performance, with everything on chip going up, memory performance, you've got to get everything off the chip. And when you come off chip, then that's where you hit another world. It's kind of almost a completely different universe to what the EDA industry is concerned with, so primarily on chip. And now as soon as you go off chip, the physics are almost sort of different.
Oh, the people that show up. I mean, they'll look, be able to talk to a large audience of incredible engineers about what the AMD engineers have created is just an opportunity that brings a smile to my face. I mean, it's neat to talk about the future. It's really neat to talk about the future to people that understand it.
I was involved in a couple of startup companies. Specifically, I remember one of the startup companies, Excel Chip. We had a product demoed, showcased at designcon about 10 years ago. So it's great to be back.